It's our destiny. She says our destiny. Figure next to me. This a girl that want flex with me. Rest with me, nothing excessive. So me the organist of me. The girl I want to see. She dash where your road and some boy see a place you wanna go. Believe me, I got over.
Year to year boat ride, everything sell off, and as a boat every year, and keep going strong from year to year. Yeah, big up Black Hole crew, all of my crew, they are Lance, Ricky, Riri, Jonah, Evan, Miller, all the Black Hole crew, big up.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Asia.
Oh, you're enjoying yourself?
I'm enjoying
So
myself.
you dance to the dance. Coming back next year?
Yes.
She dance, she dance, she put her shoes in her Canada, so that, yeah. Hi, how are you?
Too much of an intellectual.
Thank you. Are you enjoying the party? Yes, I'm having a great time. This is your first year? Yeah. Are you coming back next year? Yes.
Big up Backyard TV. Glad to see you again.
Oh, you're enjoying your night? Oh, you're enjoying your night?
Enjoying the night. The night is wonderful. I give thanks and praise to the Most High God for His continued blessings and guidance and protection each day. I big up every time Backyard TV, straight out of the Bronx.
Thank you. You ready for talk to Backyard? You ready to talk to Backyard?
Well, I'm always ready to talk to Backyard, but I'm just going to make a small talk now. Then we'll talk to Backyard after, because Mr. Genius, have you seen us ready to blaze some fire upon the board right now still? Alright? And it's my time to blaze the fire right now. So far, everything is good. When I say big up to Father Herman, it's his annual White and White. Have you seen us? Alright, personally, I just want to let you folks know that August 5th will be my annual all-white boat ride. August 5th is a Sunday evening. Alright? Have you seen us, Mr. Genius?
Alright, you heard from the man himself. So make sure that you come out and support Team Boat Ride too. Check out these sexy ladies here. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Simone.
This is your first year?
No, my third year.
Are you coming back next year?
Definitely.
Hey, make sure you come early so you don't want to get us over the top.
Of course not.
What you have to say to Father Herman?
Next year, different boat, bigger thing.
Share your husband. What's up, Ozzy?
I'm fine, that's my Nubian goddess right there.
Yeah, she's looking very pretty. Wow, I didn't even know there were so much people out here. Them dance till I'm tired. How are you?
I'm a shy man, I'm
No,
shy.
you're not.
Everything is good, everything is good.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Very good, very good.
You have anything to say to Father Herman? On his birthday?
Father Herman cool man, Father Herman cool.
Yeah, this is your first year coming?
Nah.
And you're coming back next year? And
Yep.
you're making sure you're coming early.
I'm
so
coming,
you're
I'm
ready
coming.
for the boat.
That's it, baby, that's it.
Alright. Oh, my throat. Hi, how are you?
You're ready, baby.
Oh, I got him already. You're shy?
You're very shy.
Very shy? You don't seem shy to me.
Very shy.
You don't seem shy to me. Take him anyway. Him say I'm shy. But I lie him and tell.
My name is Denise.
You're looking very pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, alright. What did he say?
So look at the highs.
at the eyes.
Yeah, look at the
She's
eyes.
party out.
Huh?
She's partied out.
Yeah, she burn out, you know. Look at her eyes. Her eyes them start get dreamy, you know. Yeah, she kind of start catch the dreamy eyes. So you know what that mean, you know. Our day soon light, so I send her and thing.
What's your name?
Archangel. Respect Father Herman. Me love Elroy. Me love Father Herman and him son them.
Don't follow them. Make them a girl. Them shy. You don't shy. What's your name?
It's Kyle.
Yeah?
Kyle.
Oh, you enjoy yourself today.
It's alright. Yeah, I'm full enjoying myself so far. Father Herman, big up yourself and family.
How are you?
I'm very good.
I like the fact that you're not shy.
Well, I try.
Okay.
Father Herman, you don't know you're the leader, you're the man, so big up and all the best, and definitely next year you're going to see we back here, so. You don't know, Father Herman, you're the leader.
Hi, how are you?
Morning, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. I see you have flowers in your hair.
My name is Lady Escalade. I'm a brother, Chippy.
Okay.
July 3rd, day before Independence.
So you enjoy Father Herman boat ride?
I always enjoy Father Herman, because Father Herman say love. And if we don't know love, we don't know God, and God everything.
Everything good. I'm advertise my birthday party, and Father Herman, 30th of June, memories. Father Herman thing was nice, what is a whole of vibes, and everything good. I love we say straight, and big up Backyard TV to the max. I that to say.
Right, okay. Don't bounce me down, please.
Congratulations.
They're not gonna pick you.
You know what English is for? You know what English is for? 177. 177. Yeah, plan over this. Nice. Now plan over that one. I smell sweet tonight. Congratulations.
This morning, let me see. Really deserve what I did there. I do what? Yeah. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Happy birthday, Shock Marina. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard living. Yeah, I'm afraid to die. Father Herman, year to year. I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know change won't come.
Respectful wife every time. A lot of things I celebrate. I celebrate life over there. I celebrate 21 years straight with a marriage. I celebrate my daughter at 21. Me turn 21 again. Me son, and nothing we celebrate for the both tonight. It didn't turn up.